Okay, so this is in response to a question on how to extract a perfect cube from a perfect sphere, or give the inset visual. So basically you want to start off with the high poly sphere, and what you want to do is match the edge flow of the cube to the edge flow of the sphere. So counter them all out, make sure each edge has a home when you merge these two. Because this is what you're going to end up kind of doing here in the Boolean operation. You're going to merge the topology of the cube along to the topology of the sphere. So I'm just making sure here everything is, each edge has a home from the cube to the sphere. Once I'm satisfied with that, I'm going to go ahead and resize this cube to kind of bring it a little closer to the edges there. That looks like it. So now we're going to do a selecting the sphere first and the square second, or the cube second. I'm going to do a difference Boolean using the new algorithm, not the legacy algorithm. And now you can see that you're left with kind of some extra edges that we're going to go in and take care of here in a second. Basically, I'm just kind of going over and making sure everything is going to merge correctly. We really do just want to take care of the edges first, so you want to delete all these extra edges. That way you're not combining unneeded stuff when you're using the merge vertex tool. So go through, delete edge on all of these edges, these extra edges that we're not going to use. Making sure to every so often here, go ahead and delete your history. Just to save, because otherwise your tool will probably lag a little bit after every operation. After you start building up your history too heavily, Maya tends to kind of hang a little bit between operations. So yeah, every 10 steps or so, delete your history. You'll see me kind of pause and do that every so often here. So right now I'm just taking the merge vertex tool and combining these vertexes, making sure to move the cube's vertex to the sphere's vertex. What you don't want to do is move the sphere's vertexes to the cube's vertex, because that'll obviously screw up your sphere's shape. That surface has kind of a set kind of tangent that needs to stay on in order to be a perfect sphere. So we're going to just manipulate the cube's vertices to match the sphere's surface. Right there, I'm just kind of anchoring my corners. So now I've got quads in the corners. Definitely when you get done with this operation, you want to check the backside and make sure you didn't, one of the dangers of kind of working with the merge vertex tool is you end up getting some kind of backside vertices that you didn't intend to have involved in your operation. So you just want to go through and clean up any geometry that was kind of unintentionally merged. So now I'm just kind of making some repairs back here on the backside with the lovely new Maya tool. Yeah, I'm not crazy about that tool. That tool can be the multi-cut tool. I actually kind of prefer the old system better, but so yeah, that's pretty much it. It's a pretty easy operation, actually. So really now you're kind of left with this hard edge. If you want to go through and kind of create a good, a nice kind of reflective edge, or a nice something to give off a little bit of specular on the corner there, but of course go through and add a little bevel edge to it. So we add a little 0.6 beveled edge here. Everything, quads kept good, everything is fine. So that's pretty much it. Add one in the back here if you wanted. I didn't think it looked very good, so I just deleted it. But excuse me, that's pretty much that, and that's the Boolean difference. The new Boolean difference actually works pretty well. It's not as bad. Obviously, when you do it, you want to go through and make sure that everything performed like you expected it to perform. And but once you verified that that's what you were left with, it should be good. That's it. Thanks.